Hey, how are you doing today?
Well, okay. I lost some money trading today.
Oh no. How did this happen?
I was scalping. I had several wins of 10 points, but then I lost 75 on one trade.
I see. That is awful. Did you know that scalping is stupid?
Did you know that you are stupid?
That is not nice. What I mean is that, mathematically speaking, scalping is not the smartest way to trade.
I don't think you know anything about trading. Please go home.
Let me explain what I mean. Do you know anything about the mathematical principles of forecasting?
I know that the weatherman does not forecast very well.
Yes, sometimes the weather people are wrong. But there is something about forecasting that I want to explain to you. You see, there is a mathematical principle in forecasting, or predicting, that says, the closer to the event something is, the better chance you have of being accurate. Do you understand?
No. That is dumb. If I flip a coin in 2 seconds or next year, I will have the same chance of predicting which side it will land on.
Yes, that is a good point. But that is with fixed probability. I am talking about things that are not fixed. Like the weatherman has a better chance of predicting what the weather would be like tomorrow than he does of predicting what the weather would be like a month from now. And I have a better chance of predicting who will win the Super Bowl the day before the game than I do at the beginning of the season.
Oh, okay. I understand. So, what you are saying is that I'm the smart one?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Why?
Because you say that the chances of predicting something when it is closer to happening is better. Which means that scalping gives you a better chance to predict the market, because when you are scalping, you are looking at the closer time frames.
Yes, you were partially right. But the reward for your correct prediction is less when scalping.
I wish you would stop talking now.
What I am telling you is that even if you predict the market right very often, you will not have a great reward.
I would consider giving you a reward to stop talking.
Trust me, this will help you. Let me give you an example. Say that you win 80% of your trades, and your average win is 10, and your average loss is 50, in a scalping strategy. You would lose money in the long run.
I don't think so.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Tell me how.
Because if you take 100 trades, you should win 80 and lose 20.
Yes. That would seem good to me.
But 80 wins, at 10 points each, is only 800 points.
800 points would make me happy.
But 20 losses of 50 points would be 1,000 points. You would win 800 and lose 1,000.
I don't like you.
I am sorry. I am just trying to help.
Tell me, then, how does predicting something that is less predictable make more money?
Because you don't need to be nearly as accurate to make money.
Explain yourself.
Well, when I trade on the weekly charts, I target 1,000 points, and if I lose, it is normally about 200 points.
But you said that it is harder to predict when it is farther away.
Yes, because there is many unknown factors in the forecast of a few weeks or months, but there are very few unknown factors in the next 10 minutes. Still, it is more profitable to trade the long-term charts.
I don't think so.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
How?
Because I only need to be right about 30% of the time to make a lot of money.
You are a foolish child for thinking that you can win less than half of your trades and still make more money than someone who wins 80%.
But, if I am winning 30% and making 1,000 points on the ones I win, then I would make 30,000 points in 100 trades, and I would lose 14,000 points in 100 trades.
Do you mean, because you would win 30 out of 100, so if you win 30, and each of them are 1,000, then that it is a total of 30,000 points, and you will lose 70 trades out of 100 trades, but 70 times 200 is only equal to 14,000, so you won 30,000, and lost 14,000, which means you are profitable overall.
Yes.
You may be right about this.
There are many more variables than the ones I have mentioned, but I think that this basic idea should help you understand that less experienced traders should have a better chance swinging than scalping. You should try taking a swing.
I almost took a swing at you a few minutes ago.
I am glad that you did not hit me. Do you think you will begin swing trading instead of scalping?
I think I will. I understand that the probability of knowing what the market will do in the next few minutes is relatively high, but the ratio of correct predictions to amount of points to be gained is an overall unprofitable mathematical solution, whereas the predicting larger moves in the market at a less accurate rate is an overall profitable ratio due to the high reward and low risk ratio that can be used in trading this system, which moves me to take the more mathematically sound approach to the moving markets because I am a novice trader and cannot achieve a high winning percentage in scalping without risking many more points than I am targeting. This, combined with my thorough understanding of forecasting properties, assures me success in my long-term assessment of any market.
Wow, where did you learn that?
I think it's something I was born with.